Introducing the G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR4 SO-DIMM series, specifically the F42666C1AD64GRS model, a top-tier choice for enhancing your laptop's performance. This kit features 64GB of memory, divided into two 32GB modules, providing a substantial upgrade that is sure to meet the needs of power users and professionals alike. With a memory speed of 2,666 metric tons s, this RAM ensures smooth multitasking and fast data processing, making it ideal for intensive applications, whether you're editing videos, running complex simulations, or handling large databases. The G.SKILL Ripjaws series is renowned for its reliability and performance, and this DDR4 2666 PC421300 module lives up to that reputation. It operates at a low voltage of 1.20 V, which not only reduces power consumption but also minimizes heat generation, ensuring that your laptop remains cool and efficient even during heavy use. The CAS latency of 18:18:18:43 is optimized to deliver quick response times and seamless computing experiences. One of the standout features of this RAM is its compatibility. Although it is branded as a notebook laptop memory, the 260-pin SO-DIMM form factor makes it versatile enough for various compact systems. However, it's essential to ensure your device supports DDR4 2666 metric tons s and the specified CAS latency to fully utilize the potential of this upgrade. Installing the G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR4 SO-DIMM is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. Once installed, the difference in performance is immediately noticeable. Programs load faster, multitasking becomes more fluid, and overall system responsiveness improves significantly. For gamers, this RAM can also contribute to smoother gameplay and reduce lag, enhancing the overall gaming experience. The build quality of G.SKILL's Ripjaws series is exceptional, reflecting the brand's commitment to providing high-performance and durable memory solutions. The unbuffered and non-ECC nature of this RAM ensures stability and reliability, essential for maintaining system integrity during demanding tasks. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR4 SO-DIMM series DDR4 RAM 64GB, 2x32GB, 2,666 metric tons SCL 18-18-18-43 1.20 V is a highly recommended upgrade for anyone looking to boost their laptop's performance. Whether you're a professional requiring extensive multitasking capabilities or a gamer seeking smoother performance, this RAM offers the perfect balance of speed, capacity, and reliability. Don't settle for mediocre performance when you can transform your computing experience with G.SKILL Ripjaws. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.